Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange products in Wix stores. If you're managing an online shop and want to showcase specific items first or organize your catalog more strategically, this quick guide will show you exactly how to reorder your products efficiently. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, select Website to proceed. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important checkpoint. Take a moment here to confirm that this is indeed the website where you want to rearrange your store products. You don't want to accidentally make changes to the wrong site if you manage multiple projects. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct website, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this button on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to move forward. After clicking Design Site, you'll now be directed to the Wix Studio website editor screen. This is your workspace for making visual and structural changes to your site. From here, navigate to your store page. Look for the page drop-down menu and find Product Page. Once you're on the product page, look for the Manage Products button located on the top right corner of your screen. This button is your gateway to editing and organizing your product catalog. Clicking Manage Products will bring up a catalog dashboard window. This dashboard gives you access to all your product management tools. Now look at the left navigation panel within this window. You'll see several options here. Click on Categories. The Categories page displays all the product groups you've created in your store. Find the specific item category you wish to rearrange. On the right side of that category, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to open the editing interface for that particular category. Now scroll down to see all the items you have listed in this category. This is where the magic happens. If you wish to rearrange them, simply click and drag each item to the position you desire. You can freely move them around, and you'll notice the item numbering adjusts automatically as you reposition each product. This drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly easy to prioritize certain products or create a more logical flow for your customers. Once you're satisfied with the new arrangement, click on Save at the bottom part of your screen. Your changes will be applied immediately, and your store will now display products in the order you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully rearranged your products in Wix stores, giving you better control over how customers browse your catalog. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.